Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from my channel Hybrid Model Railway. Now today we've got a very important announcement regarding my 250 subscriber special, and I need to correct some things I've said previously about that. Right then everyone, so you joined me at the laptop once again, and I thought, instead of me staring at the trains, I thought I'd go on my laptop again. Bit of a treat, because as I said last week, you don't really ever get to see my laptop, but I thought, well, why not? I might as well show you the live subscriber count, and maybe we can either be happy and see some new subscribers while I'm making this video, or we can get really depressed and see subscribers being lost. But anyway, we won't focus on that, but I've brought you over to the laptop just because I thought it'd be a bit more interesting. So, originally in a live stream, I actually said this. I never said this officially in a video, but I did say it in a live stream. I did say this, and it's something along the lines of this, not the exact same thing, but in a live stream, when I referred to the upcoming 250 subscriber special. Obviously, I'm not going to make it and not going to announce it really until I get to 250. But I did tease what I would be doing a while ago in a live stream, and unfortunately, that's had to change. So a while back in a live stream, I said something along the lines of, when I get to 250 subscribers, I will do a giveaway of a locomotive bought from eBay, done up personally and serviced personally by me, to make sure that it is good working order and that it will work for many years to come for the giveaway owner. However, unfortunately, and I didn't really want to have to go back on myself doing this. I don't really like going back on myself in general, but this is no longer true. There will be no giveaway, and it's not taking place any longer. So I'll just repeat that again. The giveaway for the 250 subscriber special is not going to be happening. I don't know why I announced it back then. I guess I thought, I'd tease people about the giveaway and thought maybe get them excited. I don't know why I teased it back then and why I didn't just do it in the celebration video when that gets released, when I get to 250. But for some reason I did it back then. But unfortunately, I'm sorry to have got your hopes up, but that's not going to be happening any longer. So some reasons are cost. That's a big one. I think, it's only 30 quid for an engine, but that's 30 quid for an engine that only one person is going to be able to use and only one person is going to be able to see. Whereas if I bought an engine for 30 quid, you can all see it on my layout and you can all request it, can't you? But scenery, ballast, track and materials are going to be more expensive, have been more expensive than I originally thought. I now think it's wiser to progress the layout and the layout scenery using the money I would have spent on the giveaway loco. So instead of, spending money on the giveaway loco, I use the money I would have spent there to progress the layout. As you can all see the progress and the new scenery on the layout, and doing scenery on the layout will make videos. I'm going to do a video on ballasting. I'm going to do a video on making your own custom platforms. Whereas the giveaway can only be seen and only be enjoyed by one person, unless, of course, they make videos. But if somebody wins it who doesn't make videos, there's a risk with that. But the videos and streams and the layout in general and the things you see on the layout on my channel can be enjoyed by everyone, because obviously my videos are free to watch and I'm never going to change that. Complications in postage to the actual winner and picking the actual winner. I did have some brief and initial ideas on how these were going to work and what websites were going to work, but for future giveaways I will have to rethink these, as some of them didn't quite turn out as well as I thought they would. However, there will still, in the future, way off into the future, there will still be a giveaway at some point. This will probably be when the layout is mostly finished and if and when I start earning ad revenue on YouTube. However, don't worry about that for now. I'm a long way off that goal yet, but I'm not going to be flooding my channel with ads. If and when I can start earning money off YouTube, the money will be reinvested into the layout. Obviously, I might give some to my parents because, well, that's just a nice thing to do. And obviously, they had to spend a lot of money getting the actual materials in the loft and converting the loft, whereas I'm just spending the money for the model railway and that. But, it'll be reinvested into layout, reinvested into scenery, reinvested into new engines, and maybe making some videos that otherwise I wouldn't have been able to make. And it'll also be maybe invested into a few giveaways. As I say, they're going to be way off into the future. But at some point, Not saying, you know, in the next year, I might not even be in the next 5 years, but at some point I do hope to do a giveaway when I do have a bit more money and when I'm just not just getting my layout off the ground, if you know what I mean. So hopefully, I do hope I haven't crushed your hopes too much. I think I did say in the stream, although I can't remember, I did say it might not be possible. Some things might get in the way, and unfortunately, some things I have got in the way. So I'm sorry if I have got your hopes up and then disappointed you with this video. But hopefully you can understand why I've had to make this announcement. And I guess I've learnt a lesson there. I've learnt a lesson to don't announce something unless you're completely sure that that is what is going to happen. So yeah, sorry about that. But I hear you all asking, what is going to happen instead for the 250 subscriber special? That's my phone going off. That's not very professional. I should have put it on Do Not Disturb. Oh well. As for what's going to happen instead for my 250 subscriber special, I can hear you all asking. Well, you'll just have to wait for the celebration video. Take care.